Okay, so I just received my video player for Amazon. It was very quick. I thought it was due to arrive on Friday the 18th, but it arrived 2 days early. As you can see, this is the DVD, portable DVD player. I'm rushing because I have to go to work. Oh my God, my favorite color, red. Let's see here. So you see that. And this is the box that stores the remote control, cable wires, or connectors for cable games, the car charger, in case you take it on the road with you, a little remote control, and a regular, what is it, EU plug, US style. So it's beautiful. I'll be trying it out real soon. Got it for work, since I work late in the evenings in the hospital. Sometimes it get a little quiet, but I'll let you know soon. But I'm very happy. It looks like a wonderful product.
Here it goes. Brand new. Got the welcome card. Came with the remote.
Remote.
For a charger. Wall plug-in. We have attachments for it. And video game controller.
Mommy, I want to